Hello everyone and welcome back to Independence Farm Eldoret. So when I was building this chicken coop, I showed you all the progress step by step. So you saw I finished the first phase, but due to financial problems, which is common with us, I left the underneath space. So today I want to start the journey of building this last phase, and this chicken coop will be complete. So with me here, these were some of the leftover materials. So currently I'm sorting these materials. You can see those ones there are some that I might not use again, and I will give to my mom ikue kama kuni, the sources of firewood. And this one that I'm placing on my left, I will reuse them. So that's what I'm doing currently. Just the way ceiling board are usually made, the pillars of the ceiling board, you must be sharp on your calculations, because without measuring you'll end up making some zigzag structures, and to me I usually value the straightness. So you can see how it looks. So today was just to finish the right side, but I saw that when I block here, when I block this part, building this other part will be very difficult, which will make me to remove this part again, and it will be a lot of time wastage. And that's why I decided to complete all of it once. So that's it. So we'll have top and bottom.